Welcome to Sholz TV. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a fresh mango dressing and a fresh mango salad. So let's get to it, guys. So we're going to be using some fresh mango, some lime concentrate or lime juice, some apple cider vinegar, organic and raw, some parsley flakes, some plain Greek yogurt, and some extra virgin olive oil. Also some salt and some garlic for seasoning. So go ahead and peel your mango and cut the flesh in chunks. Put that into your blender. Add your plain Greek yogurt. Make sure it's plain, nothing with lots of sugar in it. Add your extra virgin olive oil. Add your raw apple cider vinegar and your lime juice to your blender. Then we're going to add some salt and garlic powder to taste and some dry herbs. I'm using dried parsley. Add some water just to get all of those combined properly. Blend it in your blender until it's smooth and looks just like this. So there you have it. That is your fresh mango salad dressing. It's creamy, it's rich, it's tasty. It is so good and it's healthy, so you can use as much as you want in your salad. So let's go ahead and build our salad. I have here some mixed greens and some microgreens. I'm going to go ahead to add my salad dressing right now before I add the rest of my topping. And I'm going to go ahead and top this up with some fresh mangoes, some cucumbers, some radish, red radish. Just top it with whatever you want for your salad. Just make sure it's healthy, fresh ingredients, guys. And for my protein or additional protein, I'm going to be using a boiled egg and some cheese as well. And that's it. That's how I make a fresh mango salad dressing and how I incorporate fresh mangoes and that dressing to a delicious, fresh, healthy salad. You can eat this for lunch, for dinner. Top it up with whatever you want. But do try this recipe. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Hit the bell so you're notified every time I post a new recipe video. You can catch me on Instagram at Sholz Bites or on Facebook at Sholz TV. And until next time, guys, it's your girl Sholz. Stay blessed. Sending you lots of love and light. Bye.